Have you ever attended a training that you thought was great, but you couldn't remember a single word the next day? I have too, and that's why we've designed the Trauma Toolbox to fit into your daily schedule and your learning style. The Trauma Toolbox uses an online system where you can learn trauma-informed care wherever and whenever is convenient for you. You can watch videos, download checklists and reports, ask questions, and even get certificates of completion where applicable. The Trauma Toolbox is organized into specific chapters that will address trauma-informed care in homes, schools, and communities. Even though each chapter builds on the other, you will find some overlap. This is actually intentional because we learn best through repetition. The other way that we learn best is if we can apply the things that we're learning into our daily practices. You have the opportunity to reflect, discuss, and test your knowledge.